This is how you can use your imagination to make yourself feel calm in times of stress, anxiety, or panic. So to understand how this technique works, you have to understand a quirk about the human mind. To some degree, the human mind can't tell the difference between things that are imagined and things that are real in the external world. So in order to understand this, let's look at an example. I want you to imagine your favorite food. Whatever it is, imagine a fresh pot or casserole of this food, and I want you to start to imagine what it smells like. Really get that scent and that fragrance. Imagine what it looks like, and then imagine bringing the food close to your mouth, but not quite in your mouth yet, and then taking a bite. Chances are, if you allowed yourself to be submerged in this exercise, is that you would start to feel your body reacting to the imagined food as though it were real food. You might have started to salivate a bit or get a bit hungry. And so this is the quirk of the human mind that's going to allow us to keep calm in times of panic. Because to some degree our body reacts as though the imagined thing is real. So we can use this to our advantage through an exercise called guided imagery. And this is how you do it. So if you're feeling a bit stressed or anxious, I want you to imagine a place in which you feel calm. It could be a real place or an imagined place. So you could bring up a memory, or you could create somewhere totally new. And once you have a place in your mind, start to walk through your senses, to look around a bit. Notice the objects, colors, shapes. Notice what you can hear in the space. Maybe there are some natural sounds in this safe space of yours, or maybe you create some sounds that add a soothing and calming effect to the place. Notice the smells in the place. It could be natural fragrances in the place. There could be different scents in different areas. Notice what you can feel. Could be the feeling of warm sun on your face, sand beneath your feet, or you could be intentionally running your hands through different textures in the room. Now you want to get fully acquainted with this place through all your senses, and you'll want to do that for around 10 minutes, cycling through each sense every 2 to 3 minutes. And you'll notice that if you do this long enough, you'll probably start to feel calm. And even though the place is imagined, it has a real effect on your body in the here and now. This is a technique I learned from compassion-focused therapy, and it's probably something you can find online if you googled guided imagery safe place. So if you want to calm yourself during times of stress or anxiety, try this technique and you'll become your own therapist.